Hi, I'm Mark from Kelda Showers. Today we will be looking at the Deluxe Recessed and the Deluxe. They are both similar in form, so I'll go through the dismantling of the shower with you and then the reassembling of the shower, just to show you how easy it is. .2.5mm Allen key. You have to pick out these little lug nuts. Easier to do the bottom one first and then the second one. Take off the handles. Once they're off, if you can pry the trim rings out, all the better. There's a trim ring, another trim ring. On each corner there is a 3mm Allen socket. You take out the bottom ones first. Now when you take it off, just be careful not to chip any of the glass. And you pull it off like this. As you can see, there's hoses on the back, but there's also a hole at the top where you can hook on a little hook, and then down here you put that through the little tab here, and then you can put your Allen key through there to hold it in place. Side we have the valve. Cold feed comes in through the back, through this loop and into the bottom, and then up from this one with the hot. The directional flow either sends it through the pipe to the handheld or through the flow sensor to the shower head. The flow sensor will activate the fan inside the hub when the water flows, which then starts the fan. Have a look inside the hub now. We can see here is the air hose, air suction going in here, and the flow going back out here to the head. The flow sensor is attached to the PCB. As I said, when the flow goes through from the valve, turns on the fan will run. When the water is turned off, the airflow will run for a second longer to blow out any droplets of water. I'll go through this in a separate video. When you reassemble this, it's worth doing the top two first, just get them started. Now the top two are done, we'll put on the trim rings. That helps to align the valve as you're putting the glass on. When you do the top one, once again, if you haven't turned off the water, make sure you don't twist it as you do it up. Okay, that's done it. And with the bottom one, it's worth turning this full hot and then pointing the direction down to around 7 o'clock or the bottom of the red, and then tightening up. That'll mean when it's upright like that, that's 38 degrees. The valve is actually set at 41 degrees max, Okay, and then so you put these back in, these little lug nuts. Right, and that's that. Thank you very much.